how to adjust or change the time and date of your Casio watch. This is the W-800HM Casio watch model. So if you have any of those of the W-800 Casio watches, whether it's a blue color, the plain black one, this guide will work the same for this watch in particular. So to get started, if you want to change the time or the date, you will long press the adjust button, which is this one right here at the top left. Hold it down and you'll notice you hear the little beep sound. When you do this, the seconds is going to start flashing for you. So when you want to cycle to the next part, which would be your minutes or the hours, you want to change any of those here, you're going to press on the mode button. So this is the mode button, the one to the bottom left. When I press this, you will switch to the hours. And if you want to bring up the hours, you will press on the right side here where it has the 12-24-hour button, this one here. That's going to change it for you. So as I press it now, you'll see it's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then we'll go back to 1. So you find the hour that you're currently on. Now to change the minutes, you'll press the mode button here, this one right there, one more time. That's gonna flash on the minutes now. And you can increase it by pressing the button on the bottom right. Once you're done with that, press the mode again. That's gonna take you here. And if you wanna change the date and the time, the date and the month, year here, the month and the date, you press mode again, and that's going to give you the month here to change. So if you're not on the 8th month, maybe you're on the 10th here, I don't know where you are now. You go to mode here and you go on to the day of the month. So it's the 31st now, it'll start back on the 1st, 2, 3, whichever day it is, and you'll leave it on that. This here where it says 2013, that's the year. And when you press this again, the mode, you'll be taken back to the seconds again. And if you want to go back and change the year, you just keep cycling, pressing it until you reach here. And same thing again, you're using this button here to change the year date. All right, and so it's actually 2025 right now. And we'll mode again until we make changes to everything we need to. Once we're done, you'll press the adjust button one time, a single press, and that's gonna stop the adjust mode. And you should have everything that looks like this here. And that's that, my friends, ladies and gentlemen. If this guide helped you out in any way, do hit that like and sub.